Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a post on TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch a TikTok app on your phone, then tap the profile icon in the top right corner. And after that, scroll through your videos, then tap the one you want to remove. And after that, tap the three dots or the share arrow on the right side of the screen. Then scroll to the bottom of the menu and tap delete. Confirm by tapping delete. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.